Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can script an automatic unfollowing bot on Instagram. So right now I have only 12 following. I'm just following random accounts. This is not my main account. I don't use it. So but some people have like thousands and like hundreds of followers and they're following them, and they might need to remove some of the people. So I'm going to show you how to do if there are a lot of people you are following. First of all, you need your data about the people you are following. So you need to go to your settings, then you need to go to your account center, this one, like it, and then you need to go down to your information and permissions, click on export information. Now you need to create export to device. Now from here you need to click customize information and unselect everything. You only need to tick followers and follower. That's it. That's the only data you need. Once you have clicked this, click save. And then another important thing is you need to change the format to JSON. Okay, so once you have created followers and following format is JSON, you can start your export. But I have created my export before, so over here you can see this is my export. I can download this. If you click download, it's gonna download. I have mine downloaded over here. So now you have your data, but I'll show you how it's gonna be. Now your data is not gonna make sense to you. I'll show you. Like, what is this, bro? Like, you cannot read this, but all you have to do is copy everything. Yeah, I'm going to go to ChatGPT. I'm going to paste it here. Why is it stuck? Show me only the usernames. Let me restart my page. Yeah, so show me only the username. Okay, so it's the same thing. So we have the user's name now, but before we can use this, we need to set up our script. So how we set up our script, you can go to my GitHub. I'm going to paste the link in the bio so you could follow this. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. So we have a terminal, sudo apt update. Let me put my password. Just gonna check the updates, and you need to make sure you have downloaded Node.js. Let me see if I have downloaded. I do have downloaded. Let me check. Yep, so I have it downloaded. Now we need to create our folder. So make directory ig-unfollow cd ig-unfollow. I'm going to paste the commands so you can follow it yourself. Now we are inside unfollow. Now we need to npm init -y So we're initializing npm over here. It has initialized. Now we need to install playwright. So npm install playwright. It has added, so npx then playwright install. Downloading fallback build. Okay, so my OS is not supported, so we can use this command npx playwright install dash dependencies, so dpes. So once we have all this, failed to install browser dependencies. Okay, I'm going to check how to do this, but now you need to create your save session. This is the place where you're going to log into your browser for your account, for your Instagram account. So it's nano save .js. So it's gonna open this screen. Now once you have followed till here, you need to go to my GitHub. You can click this save session.js. You just copy this whole, and then you paste this here. You have pasted it. Now click Control O, enter Control X. Now we need to run this. Okay, so you need to run node save session.js. Now it's gonna open a browser for me. Yeah, you see. And now all you have to do is log into your account. So let me go. I forgot my username. So yeah, this is my username. Let me copy this. Let me paste this, and let me see if I remember my password. So so now we have logged inside. Now we need to go back to the terminal. You can see, then just click enter. So it's gonna close now. Now we have done a lot of the work. Now it's time to make the list. So I was following these people, so I'm gonna copy. Then you need to go to your folder, right? So now you're gonna create a new text file. I'm going to show you. You're going to paste your username. Now inside this file, inside the .text file, you can put any usernames you are following, and it will unfollow them. Doesn't matter whoever it is. You just need the username. You understand? Now you're going to save this as inside the folder as usernames, just usernames.txt. It's case sensitive, so remember that. Create usernames.txt, save. So my usernames are saved, everything is saved. Now it's time for the important step, the script time. So go back to my GitHub, go to unfollow.js. Now we need to I'm going to cross this. I'm going to open another terminal, and I'm going to go back to my okay, so we're going to go back to your folder. Now you're going to create a nana unfollow.js, and now inside this you're going to paste this unfollow.js. So you're going to paste this inside this. Okay, now control O, enter, control X. We have done that. We have created our username list as well. Do you see? Let me check on oh, okay, it's usernames.txt. So it's this. Now all you have to do is node unfollow.js. That's it. Click enter. It's gonna open. So it's doing everything by itself. I'm not clicking anything. I'm not doing anything right now. It's gonna change the pages by itself. And also one more thing I've added into this is you can click enter and it's gonna skip the account. I'll show you. So it's unfollowing everything right now. It's gonna change the page. Now if I don't want to unfollow this, I just click enter. It's gonna skip. It's gonna go to the next one. It's gonna unfollow this one, and yeah, and that's it. It's gonna keep going automatically by itself. Thank you.